Last class we discussed about terminal voltage, right? What is terminal voltage formula? And some basic concepts we discussed yesterday. So what is terminal voltage? V is equal to E electromagnetic force IR. What are the factors affecting this IR? Here V means terminal voltage, E means electromagnetic. This one sigma means electromagnetic force, I means current, R means internal resistance. Factors affecting the IR. First, area of electrode. Area of electrode. Area of electrode means resistance will decreases. Area of electrode increases, resistance, internal resistance decreases. First point. Second one, distance from the electrode. Distance from the electrode. Distance from the electrode increases, resistance also increases. Third point, concentration of the electrolyte. Concentration of electrolyte increases means increases. That is C increases, R also increases. This one important. If temperature increases, resistance, internal resistance will decrease. Temperature increases, internal resistance decrease. In the discuss ಮಾಡಿರೋಣ ಯಾವ electromagnetic force, terminal voltage, internal resistance and current. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಕ ಏನು ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ factors affecting the I and R. Area of the electrode. So area of the electrode increase ಆದರೆ resistance ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ decrease ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Distance from the electrode and internal resistance increase ಆದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು resistance increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Concentration of electrolyte increases, C increases, R also increases. This one important. Already asked in one marks question. Temperature ಏನಾದರೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆದರೆ resistance, internal resistance ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಕಡಿಮೆ. These are the four factors. Next we will study the most important topic of this chapter. One numerical question you can expect from this. Kirchhoff's first law or one more law. ಇದಕ್ಕಿನ ಹೆಸರು ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಲಾ ಆರ್ ಕಿರ್ಚಾಫ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಲಾ ಅಥವಾ KCL. ಮೂರು ಹೆಸರು ಕಿರ್ಚಾಫ್ಸ್ ಲಾ, ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಲಾ ಆರ್ ಕಿರ್ಚಾಫ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಲಾ. These three names for one law only. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ at a junction means where three or more conductors meeting. In that point the current entering is equal to current leaving. At a junction the sum of current entering is equal to sum of current leaving. What it mean? Simple example. Let us take here, see, this is a junction. Note what is junction means? Where three or more conductors meeting. By this symbol, this is entering. This is what junction. So ಈ junction ಅಲ್ಲಿ current ಏನಿರ್ತದ, the sum of current entering is equal to sum of current leaving. So here is 0. So let us take this one I1. Let us take this one I2. This one I3. From this law, what is happened? I1 plus I2 is equal to I3. Let us take I is 2 ampere, I2 is 3 ampere. Then what is I3? 5 ampere. It's simple, right? 2 plus 3, 5 ampere. Let us take this step. Entering. Leaving. This is junction. I1, I2, I3, I4. Now tell me, I1 plus I2 is equal to
I3.
I3 plus I4. Understood? Take. First last. Okay. The second one, Kirchhoff's second law. What is Kirchhoff's second law or loop law or Kirchhoff's voltage law? For this three names, Kirchhoff's voltage law. Or KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law. KCL is first law. This is what it tells. The algebraic sum of voltage the algebraic sum of change in potential in a closed loop is 0. If you construct a circuit, it contains voltage, resistance, that all things, no. In that, algebraic sum of all voltage is equal to 0. Change in potential is equal to 0. You will see. The algebraic sum of change in potential for closed loop is 0. What it means? Delta V is equal to 0. Let us take one closed loop. Or delta V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3 plus Vn, V4 plus up to Vn is equal to 0. To apply this, what is the condition? This circuit should be closed. So let us take this one A potential, this one V potential. So VA minus VB is equal to 0. ಈ closed loop ಒಳಗ VA minus VB is equal to potential change in potential VA minus VB is equal to 0. Based on this, we'll solve some questions. We'll understand. For this one, these two laws based on law of conservation of energy. What is law of conservation of energy? Energy neither created nor be destroyed, but we can transform one form to another form. Law of conservation of energy. Here we have some rules. ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಟು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೋವರ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಟು ಹೈಯರ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಗೇನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇತ್ತು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಗೇನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ while in resistance how to calculate that symbols I will tell ಯಾವಾಗ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ I will explain first this right now. First, to apply the KCL, Kirchhoff's current law, draw a a current from cell. Current from cell. Cell in this manner. It's like if you have one wire, first it is distributed this. This is I1. This is junction. This is I2. This is I3. Let us take this one I2. This is what? Let us take this one I1. This is total current I. This is I1. We can write this one I minus I1 or I2. I minus I2 is the same. Total current minus the equal to I minus I2 ಅಂತ ready. So this is like first. There is no problem with for applying KCL. This is what KCL rule. Kirchhoff's current law. For applying that, what second law? KVL. For applying KVL, let us take the circuit should be closed. First condition, you know, the circuit should be closed. Circuit should be closed. Should be closed loop. Closed loop. First condition. Now let us take here battery connected. Resistance. What is the third condition? Let us take we have two loops. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದೇ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಎರಡು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಇದೆ. ಅವಾಗ we should take both same direction. ಇವೆರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿರಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನ ಆಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಬೋತ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಇಫ್ two closed loop is there means we should take both same direction. Now what is the fourth rule? Potential gain. For potential gain means what? See here, we have battery. This is negative terminal. This is positive terminal. When we are going from negative terminal to positive terminal, what is happening? Potential gain. Here symbol should be positive terminal. Positive. For example, this 10 volt is calculation to plus 10 volt. Next point, fifth point, potential drop. Potential drop means positive to negative terminal. Here positive to negative terminal. Potential loss. So here we should take negative. Here you have to take minus 10 volt. Like that. Not that. Understood now? Okay. Battery now. So what is the rule for resistor? Let us say this is the resistor. Here current I is flowing in this direction. resistance R. Now to take potential difference, what is the symbol we have to take? Current ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವೇನೋ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾಗ ಹಾಕೋ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ನಾವು ಇದೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೈನಸ್ I into R. ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಹಾಕೈತಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ನಾವು ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಅದೇ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಐತೆ ನಾವು ಹಿಂಗ ಹಾಕಿವ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಪಾತ್ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿ ಪಾತ್ನು ಇದೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ದಾಗ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ಪಾತ್ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾತ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ವಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ I into R. Here total overall we have to remember two things. What is that? Potential drop. Potential from negative to positive ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್. ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್, ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. So main things for battery from negative to positive terminal ಏನಾಯ್ತಾ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಇದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಇದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ along the same direction negative, find current I in this circuit. This is closed loop. So now we can apply the Kirchhoff's two laws. Second Kirchhoff one is not. Let us take this direction. Direction now from start loop A B C D E F relation start ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೈತೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಇದೇ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೈತೆ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಮೈನಸ್ 2 into I VR V is equal to IR. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 into I ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀವಾಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಟು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತಗೋ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಟು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ 10 is equal to 0. Close loop that change in potential is equal to 0. Change in potential is equal to 0 is our formula. Minus 2i minus 3i minus 5i plus 10 is equal to 0. 10 is equal to 5i. I is equal to 2. 10 by 5. That is 2 ampere. I is equal to 2 ampere. This like note down.